welcome to online Navodaya coaching. I hope you all have started preparing for Navodaya entrance exam 2020-21. So let's crack the exam just by learning simple tricks. Okay. So we're going to learn how to calculate profit and loss and how to calculate the percentage of profit and loss. So first of all, let's try to understand what is meant by profit. What is meant by profit? So profit is nothing but a benefit or a financial gain. Profit is nothing but a benefit or a financial gain. It could be to the business, company or an individual person. And what is meant by loss? Loss is nothing but an amount of money lost by a business. An amount of money lost by a business. It could be business, company, individual person. Okay. Now we understand the meaning of profit, meaning of loss. Right? So let's try to understand how to calculate profit and loss. Okay. So let's assume you are a shopkeeper. I know if you are a shopkeeper, you always try to eat sweets, biscuits or whatever is available. But in this point, let's understand how to calculate profit and loss. So assume yourself as a shopkeeper. Okay. So you are a shopkeeper. You bought a book for 100 rupees. Okay. You bought a book for 100 rupees. And you sold it for 120 rupees. Okay. You bought a book for 100 rupees. Maybe from the retailer or from the company or whoever is supplying books for you. Okay. And you sold it for 120 rupees. Okay. Now this amount, this 100 rupees amount is a cost price to you. It's a cost price to you. You can also call it simply C. It's a cost price to you because you bought this book because you have borne this cost of 100 rupees. Then you sold it for 120 rupees. So this is called selling price because you are selling it, right? This is called selling price. Now let's try to understand whether you got a profit or a loss. Okay. So then how to calculate? We have the data here because you have invested 100 rupees and you sold it for 120 rupees, right? So the formula to calculate profit. So the formula to calculate whether you got profit or loss is simply selling price, that is SP, minus cost price, that is C. Okay. Now please tell me what is the selling price? It is 120 rupees, right? 120 rupees. Tell me what is the cost price? It is 100 rupees, right? Mention 100. So now you have to deduct this 100 rupees from 120 rupees. So what is the remaining amount? 20 rupees is your profit. 20 rupees is your profit. Now it means that in this transaction you got 20 rupees profit. Okay. Now let us understand how to calculate loss. Okay. So let us assume you bought a book for 100 rupees. You bought a book for 100 rupees and you sold it for 90 rupees. Let's say 90 rupees. Okay. So this is the cost price for you because you have invested money, and this is the selling price because you have sold it. Right? Selling price. So now what is the formula to find out the loss? It is cost price minus selling price. What is the formula for calculating loss? Cost price minus selling price. So what is the cost price here? 100 rupees is the cost price. And what is the selling price here? 90 rupees is the selling price. So now tell me what is the loss? So you get a loss of rupees 10. right? So this is how we have to calculate profit and loss by using this simple way. Okay, so let's try to understand how to calculate the percentage of loss, profit and loss. Okay, let's try to learn how to calculate percentage of profit or loss. So let's take an example. Same example. Same. You bought a book which costs around 100 rupees and you sold it for, same example, 120 rupees. Okay. Now you know that this is cost price and this is selling price, and here you got profit, right? Selling price minus cost price, 120 minus 100. You got 20 rupees profit. Same in the previous example, right? Now how to calculate the percentage? So there is a formula for calculating percentage. The formula is profit amount by cost price into 100. Okay? The formula to calculate percentage of profit or loss is profit amount. If it is a profit, it is a profit amount. If it is a loss, it is a loss amount by cost price into 100. Now in this example you got 20 rupees profit. So let's calculate the percentage. 20 rupees by, what is the cost price here? 100 rupees into 100, right? So now let's calculate the percentage. Okay, so 0 to 0 cancel. 2 into 100 equal to 200. Here 10 is left. 10 equal to 20 is the profit percentage. 20%. Okay. So let's try to calculate loss. In the same example, let's calculate loss percentage. Same example. You bought a book for 100 rupees, sold it for 90 rupees. This is your cost price and this is your selling price, right? Now finding out the loss first. Okay. So what is the formula for finding out the loss? Cost price minus selling price. What is cost price here? 100 rupees. What is selling price here? 90 rupees. So this 10 rupees is loss, right? Now how to calculate the percentage? And we already know the formula for calculating percentage. What is the formula? Loss amount by cost price into 100. So what is the loss amount here? 10 rupees, right? By cost price 100 into 100. Now 0 cancel. 1 into 100, 100 by 10 is left here. So 10% is the loss percentage. Okay, that's it. So thank you for watching.